While dust mopping is able to aid in removing dry dirt and dust from the floor, wet or damp mopping is needed in order to penetrate heavier soils that stick to the hard surface. Prepare the appropriate cleaning solution in the mop bucket with a wringer. Always post caution signs before wet mopping. Place the mop in the cleaning solution. Wring it out until the mop is only damp. Start at the furthest corner and work toward the door. Mop the area lengthwise along the baseboards, then use a figure 8 stroke on the balance of the area. Be careful not to splash baseboards. This could easily leave dirty residue and will require additional cleaning. Once the mop bucket solution becomes visibly soiled, change the solution. When finished, rinse the bucket and wringer and allow it to air dry. All mops should be rinsed thoroughly or laundered and hung to dry. Never use a musty or malodorous mop to clean.